Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nurjana binti Ibrahim and I'm here to present my team project about banana sap gelatin composite film for forestry application. The continuous shortage of fresh material and rapid environmental degradation necessitates a shift towards sustainable and biodegradable material, especially for packaging and agriculture use. Plastic pollution is a critical global threat, with approximately 90 to 23 million tons of plastic waste annually entering aquatic environment and severely disrupting ecosystem. Our solution addresses this by utilizing agricultural waste to create high performance and eco-friendly alternative. The problem statement is petroleum-based plastic urgently need sustainable alternative due to their severe global pollution impact on aquatic ecosystem. This research proposed a circular economy solution by valorizing agricultural waste like banana sap into a high-volume, eco-friendly bioplastic product. Novelty. It effectively valorizes a low-cost and high-volume agriculture byproduct. The material used, like gelatin, significantly enhance the film robustness, mechanical strength, and accelerate its natural biodegradation time naturally. The advantage of B-gaps is it is eco-friendly, have high performance, and also has accelerated biodegradability. For commercialization, the B-gaps is ideal for the reforestation and sustainable agriculture industries by targeting large-scale project and nursery. The potential product include seedling wrap and mulch film. Now, let's take a look at the actual film and its performance in our product description. At 10%, the film showed low tensile strength and minimal stretch, meaning it was quite brittle. When we increased the concentration to 20%, we saw the best performance, higher tensile strength, and moderate flexibility. This suggests a well-performed polymer network with a good mechanical balance. At 30%, film become more flexible but lost strength and stiffness. This could be due to excess sap disrupting the matrix structure, making it softer but less durable. In short, the 20% banana sap formulation is the strong, flexible, and ideal film for practical application like eco-friendly packaging. For biodegradation test, a biodegradability test, the banana sap gelatin biofilm showed clear difference in biodegradability. In humid soil, all sample degrade visibly, especially 30% concentration, which broke down the fastest due to its softer structure and higher organic content. In dry soil, degradation was minimal. Film stay mostly intact because of low moisture slowed the microbial activity. This showed that our film responds well to moist environment, making it ideal for short-term forestry use like seedling wrap and soil cover. Meanwhile, for the water absorption test, showed how each film formation react to moisture. The 30% banana sap film absorbed the most water, indicating higher hydrophobicity and a looser matrix structure. The 20% film had moderate absorption, balancing water resistance and flexibility. Meanwhile, the 10% film absorbed the least, suggesting a denser and more compact structure. This result helped us understand which formulation suit different environmental conditions, especially for forestry use where moisture exposure is common. In summary, our B-gaps is a promising step towards sustainable innovation. By transforming agro waste into biodegradable material, we not only reducing plastic pollution but also support eco-friendly practice in agriculture and forestry. We believe this research contribute meaningful to a greener future. And that's all for me. Thank you.